Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Immediately after release, the block is moving up the ramp while still in contact with the spring. At that time, the forces on the block are gravity, the normal force, kinetic friction down the ramp, and the spring force up the ramp. This corresponds to diagram Z. After the block loses contact with the spring but is still moving, up the ramp, the spring force is gone, so the forces are gravity, the normal force, and kinetic friction down the ramp. This corresponds to diagram X. After the block turns around and slides back down the ramp, kinetic friction reverses direction and points up the ramp. When it contacts the spring again, the spring force also acts up the ramp, matching diagram Y. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for signers and always double-check each step carefully.